So good morning students. So previous class we have discussed exercise 1.1 up to 3 questions. So today we are going to continue, that is exercise 1.1. So that is fourth main. So that question is, so A is the set of all 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. This is converted into set builder form. So the given is in a roster form. So convert into set builder form. That is, let A equal to so therefore here 3, 6, 9, 12. These numbers multiples of 3. Yes. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12 is, we can written as like this also. That is the set of all 3. So 3 into 2. So 3 into 3 and 3 into 4 like. So here 3 into 2 means these are elements is multiples of 3. So therefore A equal to set is, in set builder form is common element x, and x is equal to 3 multiples, that is 3n. So n is nothing but possible values of n. So n is possible values of n. Here possible values of n is 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 4 possible values. At the same time, n is belongs to compulsory natural number, and that is n possible values of n is possible values of s to total is 4. So therefore that is n is lies between so that is 1 to 4. Why? Because 1 to 4 is only possible values of n. So therefore here n values only 1 to 4, and all values, possible values, compulsory belongs to n, natural numbers only, right? So check it here, this is correct or not. Means here x is equal to 3n. Here possible values of n is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you check it, if x is equal to, that is if n equal to 1, then x is equal to 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. If n equal to 2, then x is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. If n equal to 3, so then x is equal to 3 into 3 is 9. If n equal to 4, then x is equal to 3 into 4 is 12. So all values is in the set. So therefore the possible values of n is 1 to 4. Therefore that is 1 to 4, n value lies between, and x is compulsory 3n. That is 3 into n, right? This is in set builder form, right? So right, next the second one. Next the second one is, so second one is, so 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, 16, 32. So it is in roster form. This is, it is, we can written like this also. That is the set of all 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, so 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5 also we can. So it is in the form of like this also, it is correct. So therefore it is converted into set builder form is, let B equal to the set of all x such that x is general term, x is equal to you see here 2 powers is changes 1 to 5. So therefore so 2 is common, so power is changes, so that is 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of n is belongs to, that is natural number. At the same time, that is possible values of n is 1 to 5. So therefore, that is n value 1 to 5 only exist. So this is another set builder form whenever given in roster form. So it is very very important. So 1 mark question, so guarantee question, right? Right, next. So third question is, that is 5, 25, 5, 25, 5, 25, 25, 125, 625, 625. So let C equal to, so this is here, this is given set is, we can written as, so 5 to the power of 1, so 5 square, so 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4, it is possible. So right, so therefore there is x such that, so x is any common general common element, x equal to here, so 5 is common base 5, so power is changes, so therefore here n, and compulsory n is natural number, and all possible values of n is 1 to 5, sorry 1 to 4, so that is lies between 1 to 4. So this is again, it is set builder form, right? Next, so fourth one is, next fourth one is 2, 4, 6, set of all 2, 4, 6 up to so on, so convert into set builder form. So here you see, so given set is in roster form, at the same time elements all are only even and natural number, and positive numbers only. Positive numbers or not? Yes. So 2 even number, 4 even number, 6 even number, like that. So only exist even numbers only in the set, right? So that is D equal to set, D set equal to the set of all x such that x is equal to, so x is equal to means that is even natural number, that is x is an even natural number, even natural numbers. Why? Because it is up to infinity, so there is no limitation, right? Alli limit eniilla, so up to so on anta, so there is no limitation, so it is in set builder form, x such that x is an even natural number, it is set builder form, right? Next, so fifth one is 149 up to so on 100, so convert into set builder form. So this is, we convert like this also, so that is the set of all 1, so 2 square, so 3 square up to so on 10 square, yes. So it is in the form of like 1, 2 square, 3 square, 10 square, right? Here 1 power 2 also we can written, there is no change. So here only base changes, power same, power square. So therefore, so that is set E equal to the set of all x such that x is equal to, so base is changes means n power same, so 2 square, that is n square, and n compulsory positive and natural number, and possible values of n is 1 2 3 up to 10 taka. So therefore that is 1 in the up to 10. Why? Because here possible values of n is 1 to 10. So therefore, so this is in set builder form. So here x is, that is general term, that is n square, that is x equal to n square, n is changes elements n, so power is same, power 2. So that is n compulsory natural number, and the possible values of n is 1 to 10. So here 1 to 10, right? So this is a set builder form, so very important, right? Next main, fifth main. So that is fifth main is, so fifth main is list all the elements, list all the elements of the following sets, of the following sets. So just you have to write elements list ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ, means in the roster form, only in the roster form listing, right? So first question is, so A is equal to the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number, x is an odd natural number. So this is given set builder form, right? Convert into list means in roster form. So that is answer is A equal to the set of all, that is x is a general term, it is compulsory odd natural number. So odd natural numbers means starting with 1 3 5 7 up to so on. So this is for a list of given question, right? Only in roster form, right? Same like that. So next, the second question is, B equal to the set of all x such that x is an integer, x is lies between minus 1 by 2 to 9 by 2. So that is, you see here number line, so here 0, so this is 1, so 2 3 4 and 5, so here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 up to so on 5 up to so on, right? So you see here, that is minus 1 by 2 means that is minus 0.5 is less than, x is less than 9 by 2 is 4.5, it is means x value compulsory minus 0.5 to 4.5 means here minus 0.5 here and 4.5 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ between the values, so this is, so minus 0.5, this is 4.5 between the values. So means ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 1 2 3 4 only. So therefore, so that is B equal to the set of all. So 0 1 2 3 and 4 also, 4, these are least, right? 0 to 4 only, 0 to 4 only between minus 0.5 to 4.5, only integers, right? Right, next one. So third one is, so next to third one, so third one is C equal to x is an integer, x is such that x is an integer, x is an integer, then x square less than or equal to 4, x is less than or equal to 4. So which elements are exist in the list? That is question mark. So you see here, so condition is they given is x square is less than or equal to 4, right? We know that integers, so that is 0 1 2 3 and 4 up to so on. So next 5, the same time minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so minus 4 and minus 5 up to so on. So here check it, if x equal to, x is nothing but any integer, so x is equal to 0 means it is defined or not. So if x is equal to 0, then 0 square less than or equal to 4 means 0 is less than 4, right? Always 0 is less than 4. Yes, it is possible 0, right? Next one is x is equal to 1, then 1 square is the less than or equal to 4, that is 1 less than or equal to 4. Yes, it is also defined, 1 is always less than or equal to 4 or less than 4, right? So x is equal to 2 integer, then so 2 square less than or equal to 4, that is 4 less than or equal to 4. Yes, it is that is, so clearly it is 4 equal to 4, 4 equal to 4. Then x is equal to 3, then that is 3 square less than or equal to 4, 9 is not less than or equal to 4, so therefore it is not defined. So it is always, 9 is always greater than 4, so it is not a defined value. So only 0 1 2, right? At the same time negative values, we check it. So now if x equal to minus 1, then minus 1 whole square less than or equal to 4, then 1 is less than 4. Yes, it is always, 1 is always less than 4. Then x equal to minus 2, so that is minus 2 whole square less than or equal to 4. Then 4 equal to 4, yes, it is clearly 4 equal to 4. So but x is equal to minus 3, so minus 3 whole square is less than or equal to 4, but it is 9 is not less than or equal to 4. So here also same, so 9 is not less than or equal to 4, therefore it is not satisfy n value, x equal to minus 3. So only possible values of x is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Only these are possible values of x only integer, right? This is third question, right? Next one is, so next fourth question is, So D is a letter, so D is equal to x is such that x is a letter, x is a letter, x is a letter in the word loyal. So convert into list, that is equal to, so D equal to the set of all, so list ಮಾಡೋದು, so only L comma O comma Y comma A comma, that's it. So only these elements, but here so L is containing 2 times, only 1 time, right? So this is list of elements. Next, so fifth one is, x is a month of, x is a month of a year, month of a year not having 31 days, not having 31 days. Yes, 31 days ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ in a year, months ನೀವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾವಾಗಲ್ಲ, you already we know that, so that is January ಆಗಲ್ಲ, so that is 31 days that month is. February, right? February, March ಇಲ್ಲ, April, May, June, July, like that. You have to check first January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, no, November. Only these months, only 30 days, not having 31 days, right? Next, so sixth main, only sixth main, so that is f equal to the set of all x such that x is a consonant, x is a consonant in the English alphabet, in the English alphabet which precedes K. You see here, that is F is, so we want only consonant English alphabet which precedes means before, which before, K element before, only list of consonant, right? We know that K before ಏನೇನೇ ಇದಾವೋ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. So that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K ಬರಲ್ಲ, right? K before, so K before only, right? K after ಅಲ್ಲ, K before, right? Precedes means ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. But in that vowels also is there. So ಅವು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎ ಇ ಐ ಅವು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇವು vowels ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ without vowels K before, that is B, B, C, D, D, F, G, H, H, J. Only precedes K, only consonants. So these are list of given question, right? So this is exercise is so complete. This exercise is complete, right? Next we will go to next concept, right? Next class, right? Thank you.